Take back control of your screen time and unlock healthier tech habits with this quick guide to setting app limits on your iPhone. First, let's dive into your iPhone's settings. Find and tap on the familiar gray gears icon to open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see an option called Screen Time. This is where the magic happens, so tap on it. You'll now see your screen time dashboard, which gives you an overview of how you're using your device. To set limits, we need to navigate further. Look for the App Limits option and tap on it. This is where we'll specify which apps you want to limit and for how long. Now, tap on the Add Limit button. This will take you to a list of all your apps, categorized for easier selection. You can choose to limit individual apps or entire categories. For example, if you want to limit your social media usage, you can tap on the social media category. Once you've selected your apps or categories, you can set the time limit. Use the slider to choose the maximum amount of time you want to spend on them each day, for instance, 1 hour. After you've set the time, be sure to tap Add in the top right corner to save your new app limit. And there you have it. You've successfully set an app time limit. Your iPhone will now notify you when you're approaching your limit and will block access when it's reached, helping you stay mindful of your digital consumption.